let's review our vowel sounds. Do you know that each vowel makes a sound? So, what are the vowel sounds? Vowel sounds are a, e, I, a, e. Say them with me. A, e, I, a, e. Great! Now let's sing a song. So if everyone's ready, let's get started.
Short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write.
This time, let's sing it fast.
A, e, I, o, a. A, e, I, o, a. A, e, I, o, a. Short vowels that we use. A vowel is in every word, every word, every word. A vowel is in every word that we read or write.
Do you still remember the words that begin with vowel sounds? Let's recall some of those words. We have a, ambulance, astronaut, e, elk, Eskimo, I, injection, infant, awe, ostrich, ox, upstairs, undershirt. Now let's try something a little harder. Look at the picture. What vowel sound does it begin with? Is it a or I? Good job! It's a. Anchor begins with a. Here's another one. What do you think is the beginning sound of this picture? Is it e or e? You got it right. Envelope begins with e. Now for the last picture. What vowel sound does it begin with? Is it a or I? Excellent! Otter begins with a. Now you've learned vowel sounds a, e, I, a, e. Don't forget these vowel sounds. They're very important to remember.